In front of me is SONY Xperia 10 Mark IV, and today I would like to show you how to operate voice recorder on this Sony. You need to begin by going into Play Store and typing in Samsung voice recorder in the search bar. Then install this free app from this developer and open it. Now tap on this red button and choose while using the app in the pop-up. As you can see, recording is now on. You can pause it or unpause it using the middle button. If you wish to add a bookmark, click on this left icon and tap on OK. If you wish to end then save it though, click on the check mark on the right. Now just save at the top right corner, and as you can see, my recording is here. In order to play it, click on it. In order to rename it, go back, click on those three dots over here, select rename option and type in wherever you wish to. I will go with some gibberish. Then click on OK. If you wish to get rid of your recording, you need to hold it, tap on this pin icon at the top, and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!